Okay, ready? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. All right, let's do it again. Okay, ready? We're gonna play catch it on the bounce. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. You got it. Hank, sit. Good boy. Here we go. Nah, he's not gonna be that muddy.
Look at the back of his back leg.
Let's see. Let's take a look at your back legs. I can't see his back legs. Now, he would be muddy if he ran over this way. That's why I'm not throwing the ball down this way. Yeah, this is Mudfest. No Mudfest today. All right, you're already sitting. Good job. I've got the ball. It's got some stuff on it. Good job. Let's see if we can get, ooh, in the sun. Up. Oh, through the fence. Was that a bad throw on my part? There it is, right here, right here, right here. Why, dude? You were so clean. You were so clean. You were so clean. I guess it doesn't matter to throw it in the mud.
Yeah.
Okay, Hank, sit. We're gonna throw it down. No, you gotta stay. We're gonna throw it down that way towards the mud. Here comes the mud. Oh, you didn't even get in it.
Throw the ball after the
Mudslide. Let's do that one again. I don't want to see how muddy we can get him because we can do pretty good, but I mean, since he's already dirty. Ah, he missed it. He's smarter than, yeah. One more try. This is it. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see the mud damage. Okay, muddy guy. Not too bad. Yeah. All right. You gonna roll again? Yep. All right, Hank, say goodbye to everybody. Hank, you ready? Gotcha. I gotcha. Gotcha in the butt. All right, we got to wash you off. Let's be serious.
How did I get here?